Prepare 8. Students' Book. Vocabulary List. Unit 1. Shopping. Charge. They charge $10 for delivery. Charges. The hotel charges are too high. Discount. This shop offers a 20% discount on shoes. Exchange. I want to exchange this shirt for a larger one. Online shopping. Online shopping is very convenient. Promotions. There are many promotions before Christmas. Purchases. I keep all my receipts for purchases. Receipt. Don't forget to take your receipt. Refunds. The store gives refunds within 14 days. Send back. I had to send the shoes back because they were too small. Serve. The waiter served us quickly. Service. The service at this restaurant is excellent. Shop. I usually shop at the local market. Spend. We spent a lot of money on our holiday.